Let's see some of the practical applications of the concept of trigonometry. Okay. The height of a building which is vertical to the ground is not known. You don't know what is the height of this building. However, distance from point X, which is 20 meters away from building, is actually I've already given 20 meters. Okay, so there's a point which is 20 meters away from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of top of building from this point is 45 degree. Find building height. Let us see. Now in this question you are told that the height of a building which is vertically to the ground. So let's say this is the building which stands vertically on the ground, is not known. I don't know what is the height of this thing. However, distance from a point X which is away from the building is 20 meters. So there is some point X which is away from the building, and this distance between the building and this point X is 20 meters. Right? The angle of elevation. Now we saw in the earlier video what do you mean by angle of elevation? Of the top of the building, which is, where is the top of the building? The top of the building is here. So the angle of elevation of the top of the building from this point is 45 degrees. So what we are told is that if I were to connect these 2 points, this angle is 45 degrees. Find the building's height. So I need to find out what is the height of the building, which is effectively this part. Now the question is, how can you use trigonometry to solve this problem? Now in trigonometry you have seen that there are various ratios. Okay, so the first thing that I need to see is what all is given to me. I know that the angle is 45 degrees, so theta is equal to 45 degree. And let's call this point as P and let's call this point as Q. I also know that XQ is equal to 20 meter. I need to find out PQ. If you see, basically what will happen is that this PQ or the height is nothing but the relationship between these two sides. So if you find out that what is the relationship between this and this, given angle PXQ or theta. Now this is what? This is basically side opposite to theta divided by side adjacent to theta. right? That's the relationship that you're getting. What is this relationship called? This relationship is basically tan theta. We know that tan of x or theta, this particular angle, is equal to pq upon x cube. Now if you put the values here, you get tan 45 degree is equal to pq. What is the value of pq? I need to find out. Upon x cube. X cube is 20 meter. Now if you recall, tan 45 degree is actually equal to 1, which implies that PQ is equal to 20 meter. So by applying the trigonometric ratio, I have been able to find out the height of the building. So height is equal to 20 meter. Okay.